Hey there, thanks for watching my Profit Builder review by Mike, McKay, Radu, and Callan, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Profit Builder review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as I research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. Now, before you go telling me in the comments, Susie, you're not logged into the dashboard, halfway through my research today, the password got changed and I wasn't able to log back in. But I did record a little bit of myself doing some research in the platform earlier, and I will substitute that in this video for you guys. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what ProfitBildr promises us. You're going to get unlimited cloud hosting and funnel builder for all your sites and domains at a low one-time price. 19,000 plus customers already trust them with their sites. Get the world's #1 host unlimited websites for a one-time record low fee. Say goodbye to wasting hundreds of dollars on expensive, limiting subscriptions to hosting companies, now with built-in funnel builder, 60-second setup, and hacker-proof server infrastructure. On the right, we have the typical grand claims that they have for these kinds of products. And if we scroll down, I took a look at some of their testimonials, and I started realizing that if we look at another product they have called Profit Hub, not only do we have the same people, Nigel Willis, doing reviews for them over and over again, like Robin Richardson. This Profit Hub page is actually the exact same as the Profit Builder page. Talks about cloud hosting, all your sites. The only thing Profit Hub didn't have in it was the funnel builder. So once we're in the dashboard, up in the top right, you're going to go to help, and that's actually where your training is. This is Profit Hub training, and the dashboards are exactly the same as well. So now I had to take a look at Mike McKay on McKay, and I just wanted to see when Profit Hub came out and look at all of these products that they have released. And this is how Mike McKay and Radu and Callan make their money, is by releasing product after product after product over and over again and selling them to you and I. They don't actually use these products to make money. They make money selling them. So it looks like Profit Hub actually came out May 19th of 2021. And as I scroll through here, you can see that all of these are the same categories that were in Profit Hub. So this is fine for domain and hosting. The problem is that you don't own this. So if anything goes wrong with this product, you cannot troubleshoot it. You just have to wait for them to fix it and get it back up and running. If we take a look at the demo video, after they discuss the dashboard, they actually go straight into a funnel builder with templates. Now, the access that I was using never had any other links or any way for me to get into this, so I can't actually review this part. But what they give you are templates, such as for their previous product, Allure. So if we look back on McKay, Allure was released October of 2019, and if we look at that sales page, their funnel builder is supposed to give you the capability to come in here and customize, edit, and personalize this specific web page for you. There is no discussion of whether you will get approved to promote this product or not, because with their products, you do have to wait for approval to promote them. If we take a look at them on Warrior Plus and see how many Profit Hubs were sold, it looks like there were about 3,000 sold, and the rating on it isn't great. I don't know how well this product worked, but ProfitBildr had absolutely no training in it on how to get the two of these to work together. If you own your own website or have a domain and hosting already, you can use a WordPress plugin like Thrive Themes to accomplish the same kind of funnel, and you will get better training for it. Another option would be something like ClickFunnels. One thing ClickFunnels is really good at is explaining everything, whether you are a customer of theirs or not. So with ProfitBildr, they're giving you the option to make a sales page only. There's no discussion of getting an opt-in form or collecting emails before the sales page so that you can continue conversations with them if they don't buy from you. There's also no discussion of a thank you page or an upsell page or anything other than just the sales page with ProfitBildr. It's just not going to give you the training that you need to move forward with this strategy. Another option would actually be your autoresponder, such as GetResponse. They do give you the option to make unlimited landing pages with a paid plan, and you could make a landing page a sales page. As for the pricing with ProfitBildr, on the front end it's going to be $17. Anything that says DS is a downsell, which means you may be able to find a coupon for it, but I won't discuss those in case you can't. Upsell number 1 is going to be $36.93. That's your pro version. Upsell number 2 is also $36.93 at Done For You. Upsell number 3 is going to be the reseller at $197, and upsell number 4 is going to be IMX at $97. This is a common funnel for this vendor, and your total is going to run you $384.86. For a clone of a product that was released in May, saying they've added a funnel builder that I was not able to access, so I could not review for you guys. But if they've already got 19,000 customers on this site, it's really going to slow it down. And when you pay for website, domain, hosting, and page builders, you really are paying for the support and the training that comes with it, and for it to be fast and not have any downtime so that you can always continue to make sales. Please don't waste your time, your energy, or your money on ProfitBildr. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you still have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching!